Hello, I am Dr. Dhanya Dharmapalan. I am a consultant in pediatric infectious diseases at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. Today I want to make you all alert about a new condition that we are seeing in children post-COVID. This new condition is called as MISC, which stands for Multisystem Inflammatory Syndrome in children. It is also known as PIMS, which stands for Pediatric Inflammatory Multisystem Syndrome. These cases were widely reported from US, UK, but we are also witnessing such cases. Why does this happen? MISC happens in otherwise healthy children due to an exaggerated immune response after 2 to 3 weeks of recovering from COVID. Please note that COVID continues to be of less severity among children compared to adults, and children usually manifest with very mild symptoms like fever, cough, cold, diarrhea or vomiting or body ache, and many children may not even have any symptoms. But this condition occurs 3 to 4 weeks after recovery from COVID, and because of MISC, there is swelling of the vital organs such as heart, lungs, kidney, etc., which can lead to a life-threatening situation. The signs and symptoms of MISC that you parents need to watch out for are fever of high grade of 3 to 4 days with red or pink looking eyes, red lips, red tongue which looks like strawberry. You may find some lumps, which is the swelling of lymph node in the neck, sudden onset severe abdominal pain or loose motions, swelling over the hands and feet, rash over the body. The child may become little breathless and there might be extreme irritability. So if you notice such signs, immediately contact your doctor. On examining the child, if the clinical suspicion is strong for MISC, the doctor will order appropriate tests to support the diagnosis. Once the diagnosis is made, treatment is started immediately. Please remember two important points. One, that there is no need to panic because there is treatment available for this condition. And number two, because this condition occurs post-COVID and that too after 3 to 4 weeks, this is not contagious. So this condition does not spread. This information is being given to you so that you parents are alert about this condition, though it is not common fortunately, so that timely diagnosis and management can be given to your child. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for listening.